Nils Bayer from the Faculty of Business and Law is going to tell us about small business owners' mental health, how business advisors can make a difference. Good luck, Nils.
I want you to meet Laura, a small business owner who we see in the first picture. Laura has been putting her heart and soul into her cafe, working from early in the morning to late at night. But it's simply not helping. Business had been slow already, and now with the cost of living crisis, there's even less people coming in for their morning coffee. All of this has been taking a toll on Laura's mental health. She isn't sleeping well anymore and increasingly anxious. Every day has become a struggle. Laura's story is not an isolated case. In the last year, 1 in 5 small business owners were diagnosed with a mental health problem like burnout, anxiety, or depression. In short, small business owners are suffering from a mental health crisis. So, how can we help them? Previous research has looked at family and friends as sources of support, but neither of them can address the root causes of Laura's distress, her financial problems. My research therefore takes a novel approach by examining the role that business advisors can play in supporting the mental health of these small business owners. Business advisors are accountants, bookkeepers, and consultants like Mohammed, who we see in the middle picture. Mohammed has been Laura's accountant for ages. They meet regularly right in Laura's cafe, and over the years they've developed a personal, trusting relationship. Mohammed knows the ins and outs of the challenges that Laura is facing, including her tricky financial situation. In my first out of 2 studies, I look at how advisors can use these favorable circumstances to support their clients' mental health. My analysis of previous research reveals that advisors can take a wide range of support actions. They can reduce their clients' financial problems through their expertise. They can teach them stress management techniques, and they can even help them access professional mental health care services where necessary. However, advisors need training for this role because it lies outside of their formal education. In my second study, I therefore examine a mental health training course that equips advisors with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to support their clients in distress. This training, run by researchers here at Deakin University, is the first to include a large number of advisors and their clients. My statistical analysis produces missing evidence that advisor support can make a meaningful impact on their clients' mental health. These findings are a crucial step in tackling this mental health crisis facing hundreds of thousands of small business owners all across Australia. In the future, advisors' professional groups can integrate mental health training as a fixed component into advisors' education. This not only ensures that advisors are ready to provide mental health support, but also that small business owners get this help when they need it most. We always talk about supporting local businesses in our community. So, let's also help small business owners live mentally healthy lives, just like Laura in the last picture. Thank you.